Consciousness is our awareness of the world around us and ourselves. It's about having thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Imagine waking up from a dream. The world comes into focus. You become aware of your surroundings. That's consciousness. Think about smelling a fresh cup of coffee. You're not just detecting the aroma, you're experiencing it. You're aware of the smell and how it makes you feel. Consciousness is this personal experience. It's also about our inner world. Our thoughts, emotions, and memories are part of our consciousness. When we reflect on our past or imagine the future, we are tapping into our conscious experience. Consciousness makes us who we are. It's the foundation of our thoughts, feelings, and actions. It's also one of the biggest mysteries in science. Consciousness is a mystery because it's subjective. Each of us experiences the world in our own unique way. Your experience of seeing the color red is different from mine. We can't directly share these inner experiences. Imagine trying to explain the taste of chocolate to someone who has never tasted it. You could describe its texture and smell, but you can't fully convey the taste itself. Consciousness has the same quality. Scientists can study the brain and its activity. But how do these physical processes give rise to the feeling of being conscious? This is what makes consciousness so puzzling. The problem of consciousness has challenged philosophers for centuries. Now science is joining the quest to understand this fundamental aspect of human existence. Scientists are using brain imaging techniques to study consciousness. Tools like fMRI and EEG allow them to see which parts of the brain are active during different conscious experiences. For example, when you look at a picture, specific areas of your brain related to vision light up. This suggests that these brain regions are involved in processing visual information. However, these tools only show us the physical activity in the brain. They don't explain how that activity gives rise to the subjective feeling of seeing. Despite the challenges, scientists are making progress. They are identifying brain areas that seem to be essential for consciousness. This is a crucial step towards unlocking the mysteries of the mind. The brain plays a crucial role in consciousness. While we don't have all the answers, research points to certain areas as being particularly important. The cerebral cortex, the brain's outer layer, is thought to be essential for many aspects of consciousness. This region is involved in higher-level cognitive functions like language, memory, and reasoning. Within the cortex, the prefrontal cortex seems particularly important for our sense of self and our ability to plan and make decisions. Damage to this area can profoundly affect a person's personality and behavior. Another area of interest is the thalamus. This structure, deep within the brain, acts as a relay station for sensory information. It's thought to play a role in regulating our level of awareness. While these areas are crucial, it's important to remember that consciousness is likely a result of complex interactions between multiple brain regions. The brain works as an intricate network, and consciousness emerges from this intricate dance of activity. Section 5. Emotions coloring our world. Emotions are an integral part of our conscious experience. They color our perceptions, influence our thoughts, and shape our actions. Think about how joy, sadness, anger, or fear can completely change your outlook on a situation. Imagine watching a movie. A suspenseful scene might make your heart race and your palms sweat. A heartwarming moment might bring tears to your eyes. These physical sensations are part of your emotional response. Emotions are not just feelings. They are also physiological changes in the body. The amygdala, a small almond-shaped structure deep within the brain, plays a crucial role in processing emotions, particularly fear and aggression. Emotions are closely tied to our survival instincts. Fear, for example, helps us recognize and avoid danger. Joy, on the other hand, motivates us to seek out rewarding experiences. Our emotions are an essential part of what makes us human. They enrich our lives and add depth to our conscious experience of the world. Section 6. Senses, windows to reality. Our senses are the windows through which we experience the world. Sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell provide us with a constant stream of information that shapes our conscious awareness. Think about walking through a forest. You see the vibrant colors of the leaves, hear the chirping of birds, and feel the soft ground beneath your feet. Each sense contributes to your overall experience. Our brains constantly process this sensory information, creating a coherent picture of our surroundings. This process is so seamless that we often take it for granted, but our senses can also be fooled. Optical illusions, for example, demonstrate how our brains can misinterpret visual information. This highlights the active role our brains play in constructing our conscious experience of reality. Understanding how our senses contribute to consciousness is a crucial part of unraveling the mysteries of the mind. Section 7. Consciousness in action, real-world examples. Consciousness is not just a theoretical concept, it's something we experience every moment of our waking lives. Here are a few real-world examples that illustrate the power and mystery of consciousness. Blind sight. Some people who are blind due to damage to their visual cortex can still react to visual stimuli they are not consciously aware of. This suggests that some level of visual processing can occur without conscious awareness. The Stroop effect. When the name of a color like blue is printed in a different color, say red ink, it takes longer to name the color of the ink. This demonstrates how our conscious attention can be divided and how automatic processes can interfere with conscious thought. Phantom limb syndrome. Some individuals who have lost a limb still experience sensations, such as pain or itching in the missing limb. This phenomenon suggests that our brains construct a sense of our body image that can persist even after physical changes. These examples highlight the complex and often counterintuitive nature of consciousness. They demonstrate that our conscious experience is not always a true reflection of reality, and that our brains are capable of remarkable feats of processing information both inside and outside of our awareness. Section 8. The future of unlocking the mind. The study of consciousness is a rapidly advancing field. Scientists are developing new technologies and theories that are providing unprecedented insights into the workings of the brain. One promising area of research is the development of artificial intelligence. By creating machines that can mimic human cognitive abilities, scientists hope to gain a better understanding of the biological basis of consciousness. Another area of interest is the study of altered states of consciousness, such as sleep, dreaming, and meditation. By exploring these different modes of awareness, researchers hope to gain a better understanding of the full spectrum of human consciousness. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the mind, we are likely to make profound discoveries that will challenge our understanding of what it means to be human. Section 9. Beyond the Horizon. The quest to understand consciousness is one of the most exciting and challenging frontiers in science. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the mind, we are likely to encounter even more puzzling questions and unexpected discoveries. Will we ever be able to fully explain how subjective experience arises from the physical matter of the brain? Will we one day be able to create artificial consciousness? These are just a few of the questions that lie ahead. The journey to unlock the secrets of consciousness is still in its early stages, but with each new discovery, we gain a deeper appreciation for the wonder and complexity of the human mind.